In OneDesk, you can organize your items, such as tickets and tasks, into projects. To see your list of projects, click the projects icon found here. This list of projects will show you your projects in your company and grouped into portfolios. For example, here's my company name, and I have some projects in here, and I have a couple of portfolios. It's important to note that portfolios are not required, so if you're not sure how you would like to structure your projects at this time, go ahead and create a flat list of projects, and you can always move them around by dragging and dropping them later. To create a new project, you click Add, Project, and complete the form. To create a project, a name is required, and you can choose to share it with your users, to share it with your customers, and other settings can be modified. Click Create Project, and the project is created. All those properties that you filled out when you were creating the project can be modified simply by clicking here on the Actions icon and viewing the details of the project. If you have a large enough screen, it's a good idea to dock the details on the side. Here you can modify any of those properties of the project that you would like. So for example, you can modify the name, you can change the details, attach files, and add members. To add members, simply click Add and choose who you'd like to share the project with. You can share it with your users, your teams of users, your customers, or groups of customers as they're grouped into their companies. When you share a project with one of your users, it will appear in their project list. So when they log in and look at their project list, they'll see the projects that you shared with them.